Hey everyone, and welcome back to the AI Tech channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into a real firestorm brewing in the AI world. Is someone cooking the books? Are we being sold a bill of goods? The head of Google AI, Demis Hassabis, is calling out DeepSeek's claimed low AI development costs as misleading. That's a huge accusation. We're talking about potentially billions of dollars and the future of AI dominance. So, what's really going on? Is DeepSeek a true disruptor? Or is this just a clever marketing ploy? Let's break it down. Okay, so first, let's recap. DeepSeek, a Chinese AI company, has been making waves with claims of significantly lower AI development costs compared to industry giants like Google and OpenAI. They're suggesting they can train powerful models for a fraction of the price. This sent shockwaves through the market, with some tech stocks taking a hit. For investors, the promise of cheaper AI development is like finding a hidden gold mine. But is it real gold? Or just pyrite fool's gold? Enter Demis Hassabis, the CEO of Google DeepMind. He's not buying it. He's publicly stated that DeepSeek's claims are misleading. He's implying that their reported costs are inaccurate or don't tell the whole story. This isn't some random blogger. This is the head of Google AI. He's got skin in the game. Think about the implications. If Hassabis is right, DeepSeek is either intentionally deceiving the market or they're simply not understanding the full cost picture. Either way, it's a major problem. All right, let's get into the nitty-gritty. What are the immediate effects of this controversy? First, expect increased scrutiny on AI cost reporting. Investors and analysts are going to be digging deeper, demanding more transparency. No more taking claims at face value. Second, we're likely to see a shift in investor sentiment. That initial excitement around DeepSeek's announcement, it's probably cooling down. People are realizing it's not just about low cost. It's about performance, scalability, and long-term viability. Think of it like buying a cheap car. It might save you money up front, but what about maintenance and reliability down the road? And third, the big tech players like Google, Microsoft, and Amazon are going to double down on proving the superiority of their AI models. They'll be showcasing performance, efficiency, and reliability, even if their raw costs are higher. This could mean even more investment in R&D and infrastructure. It's an AI arms race, and the stakes are incredibly high. This is about market share, technological dominance, and the future of innovation. Now, let's talk about DeepSeek. This controversy could seriously damage their reputation. If investigations reveal misleading practices or intellectual property concerns, it could be a death knell for their funding and partnerships. Think about it. Who wants to invest in a company shrouded in suspicion? They're in damage control mode right now, and rightly so. This is a critical moment for them. But the story doesn't end there. This controversy has a ripple effect throughout the entire industry. We're talking about second-order impacts. First, expect a continued surge in demand for AI-specific hardware, particularly high-end GPUs from NVIDIA and custom AI chips. The AI arms race is fueling this demand, potentially leading to supply chain constraints and higher costs. If you're an investor in NVIDIA, this is good news. If you're trying to build your own AI model on a budget, not so much. Second, the need to train and run these massive AI models will supercharge the data center industry. Companies are pouring billions into building and upgrading data centers with advanced cooling and power infrastructure. These AI models are energy hogs, and keeping them running requires serious infrastructure. This is a booming business, and it's only going to get bigger. Third, the already fierce competition for AI talent is going to intensify. We're talking about AI engineers, researchers, and data scientists. There's a massive shortage of skilled professionals, and this controversy is only going to exacerbate the problem. Expect higher salaries and even more poaching of talent between companies. If you're looking for a career with long-term prospects and a high salary, AI is definitely the place to be. And fourth, cloud computing providers like Amazon Web Services, AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud are going to be major beneficiaries. They're all vying to offer the most cost-effective and scalable solutions for training and deploying AI models. This is a multi-billion-dollar market, and the competition is fierce. The cloud is the backbone of the AI revolution. Fifth, the controversy surrounding DeepSeek's alleged data distillation from Western models will likely lead to increased regulatory scrutiny and a renewed focus on intellectual property protection. Governments may introduce stricter regulations to prevent data theft and ensure fair competition. This is a complex legal landscape, and it's constantly evolving. Okay, let's zoom out and look at the bigger picture, the third-order impacts. What are the long-term implications of this controversy? First, AI accessibility and democratization. DeepSeek's initial claims suggested that AI could become more accessible to smaller businesses. But if their claims are misleading, it could slow down this process. If AI development remains expensive and concentrated in the hands of a few large players, it could widen the gap between large and small enterprises. That's not good for innovation or competition. Second, job displacement and creation. The continued automation of tasks through AI could lead to job losses in some industries, while also creating new jobs in areas like AI development, data science, and AI ethics. This requires significant investments in retraining and education to prepare the workforce for the future. We need to be proactive in addressing this challenge. Third, ethical concerns. The rapid development and deployment of AI models raise serious questions about bias, fairness, and transparency. If AI models are trained on biased data or developed without proper ethical safeguards, they could perpetuate and amplify existing inequalities. We need to ensure that AI is developed and used responsibly. Fourth, geopolitical competition. The AI arms race between the US and China could intensify, with both countries investing heavily in AI research and development. This could lead to increased geopolitical tensions and competition for technological dominance. This is a high-stakes game with global implications. Fifth, economic growth. If AI is developed and deployed responsibly, it has the potential to drive significant economic growth and productivity gains across various industries. However, realizing this potential requires addressing the ethical, social, and economic challenges associated with AI. The potential rewards are enormous, but so are the risks. And finally, education and research. The need for skilled AI professionals will drive changes in education and research. Universities and other educational institutions will need to adapt their curricula to prepare students for careers in AI. Research funding will likely be directed towards AI-related fields. The future of education is inextricably linked to AI. Let's shift gears and talk about the potential risks associated with the DeepSeek situation. From a technical perspective, the biggest risk is the accuracy of their cost claims. If they're underreporting costs, it creates a misleading picture of AI development efficiency. This could lead other companies to make flawed investment decisions. It's like building a house on a shaky foundation. It's bound to collapse. Hassabis dismisses the idea that DeepSeek possesses any revolutionary, cost-saving technology. If their advancements aren't truly groundbreaking, the hype surrounding their model could lead to inflated expectations and disillusionment. There's no magic bullet in AI. It's all about hard work and innovation. The Bloomberg report about OpenAI and Microsoft investigating whether DeepSeek obtained data from OpenAI using distillation raises serious concerns about the integrity of DeepSeek's training data and potential intellectual property infringement. This is a legal minefield, and it could have serious consequences. The investigation into whether DeepSeek circumvented a chip ban by purchasing through Singapore raises even more questions about the source of their hardware. This could have geopolitical implications and could lead to sanctions. This isn't just about business. It's about national security. Hassabis claims Google's Gemini is more efficient than DeepSeek in terms of training to performance or cost to performance. If true, it suggests that DeepSeek's model may not be as technically superior as its low cost suggests. This is a direct challenge to DeepSeek's claims, and it's a battle of technical prowess. From a business perspective, DeepSeek's initial announcement caused significant market turmoil. This demonstrates the potential for AI advancements to rapidly shift market sentiment and impact company valuations. The AI market is volatile, and investors need to be cautious. If DeepSeek's claims are accurate, it could significantly lower the barrier to entry for AI development, increasing competition for established players. This could disrupt the market and force companies to adapt quickly. This is a Darwinian struggle for survival in the AI world. The perception of lower AI development costs could influence investment decisions, potentially diverting funds away from established companies with larger budgets and towards smaller startups. Investors need to do their due diligence and not be swayed by hype. The allegations of data distillation and chip procurement violations could severely damage DeepSeek's reputation and erode trust in their technology. Trust is essential in the AI industry, and once it's lost, it's hard to regain. And finally, let's talk about the ethical risks. The controversy surrounding DeepSeek's cost reporting raises concerns about transparency and the need for accurate disclosure of AI development expenses. We need to hold companies accountable for their actions and ensure that they're operating ethically. The potential use of data distillation raises ethical questions about intellectual property rights and the fairness of using another company's AI model to train a new one. Innovation needs to be protected, and companies need to respect each other's intellectual property. The hype surrounding DeepSeek's model could lead to unrealistic expectations and potentially harmful applications of AI technology. We need to manage expectations and be realistic about the capabilities and limitations of AI. To wrap things up, the DeepSeek situation presents a complex web of technical, business, and ethical risks. It's a reminder that the AI landscape is constantly evolving, and we need to be vigilant in monitoring these risks. The need for transparency, ethical data practices, and realistic expectations is paramount. We, as a community, need to demand accountability and transparency in the AI world. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI news and analysis. Thanks for watching.